going on with SeedCode?
Right, so we make templates. The major thing we make is our SeedCode calendar.
Right.
So as I alluded to at the end of the session, I'm rewriting that based on all of these ideas. Right, time to start over.
How long has it been?
2.5 years since we did it.
All right, well,
Yeah, it's time.
it's fine.
And it's interesting, the reason we're rewriting is basically for wide area network speed, and this global variable technique has taken our month view of the calendar, which refreshes on a slow network in about 14 seconds, to refresh in 2.6 seconds for 100 iterations. That's how fast it is to use this technique. We have to loop the refresh 100 times to count it.
Wow.
It's just a different paradigm. And now that I wrote it, it's starting to slow down as I put in all my goodie and my validation and my features. It's slowing down, but it's orders of magnitudes faster, and I'm really psyched about that. So that's where we're going with the calendar and rewriting that. But the neatest thing for me is lately we started publishing stuff that other folks have written. So we're publishing FM search results that Matt Navarro wrote.
Right.
And the idea is like we're the book publisher, he's the author. It's like, Matt, if you give us a little input into how it's written, we'll take all frontline support, put our cell phone number on it. You don't have to talk to anybody about it. You go write the next one.
Is this a model that you're looking to expand for?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So far, so we've done 3 pieces now: FM Spark from Proof, NinjaCal from Proof,
right.
and now search results from Matt Navarro. And so far, it's working out. And my wife is in management. She's like, at a certain point, you have to learn to get off on when the people you're managing are successful. And I'm really excited to see Matt's people just really responding to this thing he's building. He built this address import validation thing.
I saw it in the session.
That's the first time I'd seen it. He's giving it away for free. It's amazing.
Yeah.
That's
an incredible thing. I'm so looking forward to getting it. Yeah.
That's
great. That's gonna be fantastic.
He's a smart cat too.
Well, are you planning on doing any kind of user group tour?
I'd love to.
I want you to come to Philly.
I'd love to come. I love that area. We used to do some work when I was at Cleveland Consulting in Steel, so I was there a lot.
Right.
And I liked it. But we have a new puppy, and nothing keeps you at home like that. So
yeah, well, if you can get out, we'd love to have you.
I would love to come. That would be totally fun. I met Colin at Paul's on Air, and we went gallery hopping together.
Oh yeah.
And it was just it was the best.
Yeah, Colin says that's a stomping ground in New York.
And he runs a gallery in Philly, right?
Yeah.
Or a space in Philly. So
it's in the back of his.
Yeah, I saw
it's a separate building.
It's beautiful.
It's very nice.
Yeah, and his wife's work is great. His wife's work is great. Yeah, so I'd
he's
love to come.
supporting that community.
If that's an invitation.
It is officially an invitation.
Well, then I will officially accept.
You work it out.
All right.
Contact Colin and let's
figure it out. Thanks.
And you know what? There's and this is for everybody else too. There's New Jersey is right up the road where they do their group, and Keologic, Tim Neudecker does a group in Hartford. And we're pretty synced up, and we can adjust our dates to make sure that we can get 3 in a row.
Yeah, we're doing it on the West Coast too. That's fun.
We're all within, I think, 3.5 hours for all 3 groups. Plus, you got New York City.
Yeah, that's
between
good.
the 2, so you can certainly find something to do.
Yeah, that's great.
Thanks for being here.
Yeah, thank you so much. This was fun. I appreciate it.
All right, that is 5 minutes. It's probably a little more than 5 minutes on this one with John Sindelar from SeedCode. We are Philly FileMaker, so visit us, phillyfilemaker.org.